Hello guys, you're watching Prince Masterclass. Today I'm going to teach you how to open account with Binance. Remember the last time I did a video on how to profit in cryptocurrency by just investing $1. I promised that I will come back to make a video on how to open a Binance account, because on the last video I made mention that if you want to profit in cryptocurrency by investing a small amount of money in penny crypto, that all you need is a Binance account, Trust Wallet account, Binance Chain token, that is BNB Smart Chain, and Ethereum for Ethereum network. So I promise that I will come back to do a video on how to open a Binance account. So here we are. You're watching Prince Masterclass. If this is the first time you're watching my video, kindly hit the subscription button to be the first to get it. So you head towards Binance site. You can either use a computer or use your phone. In case you want to use a phone, you can download Binance app on Google Play Store. But in case you want to use your laptop or computer, you can just simply type binance.me.n, which is a site for the largest cryptocurrency bank in the whole world, where you can easily do a swap. You can easily buy a coin and do a swap on Trust Wallet. So thank you. For the purpose of this training, I'm going to be using my laptop to teach you how to register with Binance. So you head towards here, click register. To show your country, so you click continue. For me, I am living in Nigeria, so I click continue. You put in your email address. You can put a referral. Put your referral ID of the person who invited you. Like as I am doing, I'm going to give you a referral ID to use for your invitation. Send verification to my email. So let me head towards my email address. Binance registration. Copy. Email verified. Continue. You can now see welcome to Binance. So you can deposit crypto to start trading. You can buy crypto with your credit card. Most importantly, you can buy crypto using your P2P. For those in Nigeria, you can buy using P2P. P2P means peer-to-peer. So once you are able to buy BNB or Ethereum through peer-to-peer, then you can transfer it. Remember, after you open your account, you need to do verification with your personal identity card. The required identity card are issued, government issued, and original full-size unedited document. Place document against a single colored background. Readable well-hit colored images with or expired documents. Thank you. See you in my other class. Next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to buy coin on Binance account and how to transfer the coin, the maximum amounts or the minimum amounts required for transfer from Binance to Trust Wallet, so that you can easily do your swaps to buy the penny coins, which can turn you into a dollar millionaire in future. So you have just watched Prince Eno Masterclass. If this is the first time, please, I want you to turn on your notification bell and also subscribe to our channel and share. Thank you.